and some olive oil, some salt, pepper, while you wait for your fish to cook, chop up your cherry tomatoes. As they start to cook, they'll start to change colors. You want to flip them to the other side so they don't cook too much on one side. Melt some butter, minced garlic, some pepper, seasoned salt, now time to drop these son of a guns in there. Add your tomatoes and let those cook a bit. Make sure you stir them around up in there so it can cook. Get all the flavors mixed in together. Now when it starts to look like this, you want to start adding your heavy cream in here. Get that up in there. Yeah, it's looking real nice. Stir that up and then let it start to bubble up. Comes to a slight boil. You're gonna start adding your spinach. When it starts to boil and look like this, you want to grab some spinach, throw it up in there like so. Don't worry about what it looks like now. It might look like a lot, but it's going to cook down. And give it a good stir. Now it's cooked down. You want to add your shredded Parmesan cheese. Make sure it's the shredded, not that grated stuff that's in that green container. That stuff don't melt. I don't even think that's real cheese. Be sure through this whole process you're stirring. Make sure you're stirring. You don't want to start sticking. Start sticking, stuff start burning, start tasting funny. Now add your mozzarella cheese, shredded cheese to this. Give it a good stir. So now I'm not really know what to call this, so I'm gonna call this the stuff. So now that your stuff is ready, see how it looks, it's thickened up, cheesy. Now you want to add your salmon back to it. Just put it right on top. When you get that in there like so, then just take your stuff and drizzle it on top of it like so. And also make sure you turn your heat down low so that it doesn't, like, at this point it's not cooking, it's just getting it nice and mixed together. And that's basically it. You can make some rice, cauliflower rice or whatever you choose, and you can put that down as a base and then put the fish on top and drizzle this stuff on top of it, and you have a nice little dish. And here's the finished product. This right here has cauliflower rice on it. I've been getting too big for my britches, so I'm trying to cut some weight and body fat, so this is what I'm doing for the time being to lose some weight. So I hope you guys like this video. Hit the thumbs up button and subscribe and share the video. Let me know what you think. See you on the next one.